Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm just gonna show you my game that I have admin commands in fly. So please play this game. Just go to my profile, which is Zach Gaming 9, if you see that, and yeah, just play my game, please. Like, it's just, I worked so hard, and I even added a cafeteria, Toys R Us, and Ferrari dealership, school, oh god, and Domino's Pizza, and the club. This is the main thing. This, and if you can spot the invisible ladder, it's right there. So yeah, and my game just glitched, so I'm just gonna leave that. Okay, error while receiving data, please reconnect. But anyways, guys, that is it for the video. And yeah, peace.